How businesses are benefited from Microsoft Dynamics AX. Microsoft Dynamics AX supports major enterprise functions and enables localization for high-end growth firms with a footprint across the globe. It helps the firms integrate, automate, and streamline their processes. The entire Dynamics AX platform serves as a stable enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution for midsize as well as large organizations. Why Dynamics AX? There are certain crucial advantages attained from leveraging the ERP platform. Productivity. The Dynamics AX platform allows businesses to generate insights relevant jobs and enables employees to take proactive decisions. Scalability. Dynamics AX offers a layered architecture so that enterprises can transition to upgraded systems as they expand or add business processes. Collaboration. Microsoft Dynamics allows you to integrate additional Microsoft tools that include external communication platforms or applications that are either on-premise or deployed on the cloud. This improves collaboration and effective communication among partners, customers, and employees of the organization, thereby improving overall workflow and automation across all the vital processes. Cost reduction. The Dynamics AX platform streamlines financial operations and enables proper budget planning and control, in order to spot inflated costs in procurements and overheads incurred at specific touch points across the supply chain. This helps in minimizing the company's overall expenditure, and eliminating of all hindrances towards cost-effective business outlook or financial standing. Functional capabilities. Retail. Microsoft Dynamics offers certain exclusive features and components for use in specific areas or business functions. For example, a firm can leverage retail and distribution module to gain multi-channel control, boost collaboration with channel partners through real-time updates, and build powerful rapport with buyers for increased customer engagement. This is possible with exclusive Dynamics AX solutions for retail and merchandising. Manufacturing. On the manufacturing front, organizations can leverage specific Microsoft Dynamics AX benefits to streamline production processes and minimize the time to market. The exclusive and robust Dynamics AX solutions for manufacturing offer additional operational and customer service advantage across businesses representing diverse domains and business verticals. This will boost visibility for individual preferences and fulfill specific needs from the buyer perspective. Customer satisfaction. The Dynamics AX benefits allow you to serve customers with the minimum turnaround time and high standards of quality. Orders are connected with inventory and payments are made with a secure interface that interacts with the customer for smooth billing and after-sales service or clarification of impending customer queries. Analytics. Microsoft Dynamics AX provides a robust architecture that is seamlessly interfaced with robust reporting tools offering customized insights based on real-time data, along with the provision to track errors and apply predictive analytics. These help businesses in forecasting market dynamics as well as other indicators.